Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to find your card number on Discover app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Discover, you can use our link in the description and you may get discounts and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, it's quite tricky to find your card number on the Discover app since it only show the 4 digits for security reasons. And yeah, but don't worry, you can always find your card number on the back of your card if you have one. And also by logging into your Discover account on their website, you can also contact their customer support, and yeah, they may help you find it. So I'm going to show you now how to contact the Discover application customer service. So on your Google, just search for a Discover app. So right here, I'm going to click this website right here, Discover Consumer Bank. This is their main website. So if you click it, you will be redirected to this page where you can log in with your account, but it doesn't matter. You can always just click this help and resources to go to the contact page. So under help and resources, just find card help center right here. And you will be going to another page, and it should be the contact page information right here, just like this. So if you scroll down, as you can see, there's a bunch of options that you can use. You can log in with your account to view a frequently asked questions on Discover, so that it will help you find your answers. And also you can message and US based agents to get your questions addressed. And also if you want, this is the recommended, is to call the Discover customer service agent. So this is their number. So you just need to call this number, and also they are available 24 hours a day. So you can just call them now and ask them for help to find your Discover app or Discover card number. And yeah, that's it. So after you ask for them, they will give you a full details on how you can find your card number, or they will give it to you right away. So yeah, you just need to provide your account information so that they can find you. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can find Discover card number. And also that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.